In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save your ChatGPT conversation as PDF document. First, open a new tab, then search Chrome Web Store, then hit enter. In the search box, type ChatGPT PDF. Hit enter. To download ChatGPT conversation as PDF document, there is lots of extension you can use. All are similar almost. I will use this extension. To use this extension, click on this extension and click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. To pin this extension, click on extension icon and then click on pin icon. Now go back to your ChatGPT, then refresh your ChatGPT page. Start new chat. In the top right corner, there is a button Save as PDF. You can now save your conversation as PDF file. Click on this button. The conversation will be automatically downloaded. Now I will show you how to download your past conversation. In the left hand panel, well, here is your past conversation. Click on one of them. Then in the top right corner, here is Save as PDF. Click on that. PDF file will be downloaded automatically. Click on the downloaded PDF file and open it. The PDF is downloaded perfectly. That's how you can download ChatGPT conversation as PDF document. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.